In this video, we are going to discuss about the basic configuration setup of a router, and after booting up of a router, how the basic configuration setup will be looking into it practically in the packet tracer.
Configure a basic router, which are 2900 router, and you can see here you have chose this 2911 router. So this is the common basic. You can see the internal view of the router. You see, this is the front view, this is the back view, and you can see here it is HWIC-2T and Cisco 2-port serial high-speed WAN interface card providing 2 serial ports. So you can see clearly here this is the console port, and you can see this is the gigabit port here, and also it is a 2-port serial high-speed WAN interface card. So we'll go into the CLI mode. So continue with configuration dialog box. So it is asking to type yes or no. When you type yes, it is asking you, would you like to enter basic management setup? So we now, as the motto of this session is to have a basic management setup of a router. So we have chose 2900 series router. So we are typing it yes here. So it is asking you to please give or enter the host name of the router. So we want to this router name, we are changing it to router 1. So after that it is asking you to enable secret, which is, so if you enable the secret now, this secret, when it prompted you to put or enter the secret information, it will not be visible. So you should be noting it down while configuring the basic management setup. So we are giving it as welcome. So now it is asking you to enable password. So what is the difference between the secret and the password here is, the password, when the router asks you, when you try to access the router, it will ask you for the password. So when you type, the password will be visible in the asterisk format, but the secret, when you type in, it will not be visible. So we give here as thank you. So it is asking you for enter virtual terminal password. So what is virtual terminal password? The VTY password. So we give it now the VTY password as password 123. So it is asking you to configure Snmp network management. So normally for the basic setup or the basic management setup of the router, you note required this Snmp network management. So now you can see the current interface summary here clearly. The interface, the IP address, because it is unassigned now presently, and the status is yes, okay, and the method is a manual, and status is administratively maintained. So it is under the administrator perspective, so he can assign this interfaces to whichever connection he requires to assign it to. And you can see the protocols are all down. So this is the basic management setup of a router, and now you can see it is asking you for the interface name used to connect to the management network. So what is the interface name? Interface name is, we are assigning it's gigabit Ethernet 0/0. So now it is asking you configuring interface gigabit. So configure IP on this interface. So we said yes. So it is asking you for the IP address to enter for that interface. So you can clearly see here that we have clearly assigned this gigabit Ethernet 0/0 to the management network from the above interface. So this is the interface we have assigned. Because why it has asked us this, so as we said that yes to the management setup, the management has provided us with this number of interfaces. So here this VLAN is automatically, it will be available on each and every basic configuration router. So apart from that, we have this 3 interfaces which are administratively down presently, and they are unassigned to any IP address. So now it has asked us to enter interface name used to connect the management network. So since it asked us about the assigning of this interfaces to so and so networks which are coming in, so we have provided this gigabit Ethernet 0/0 to get connected to this management network. So configuring interface, so now it entered into the configuration mode about configuring the interface of the gigabit Ethernet. Now it is asking configure IP on this interface. That means it is asking us to configure the IP address for this interface. Then we entered yes. So now it is asking the IP address for this interface. So what IP address you wanted to enter for this interface? So we're giving 192.168.21.2. So it is also asking you for the subnet mask of this interface. So it already gave the point here for you as a hint, 255.255.255.0. So you can see here that the following configuration command was created. That means when you entered or assigned the interface with the IP address, the subnet mask also is entered. So it created this script here. So how this script started and ended, so we will explain clearly here. So the host name is router1, which we have entered. So the enable secret, you cannot see the secret, it is all in the alphanumeric format and also in a symbol format. So enable password, you can see we have entered it as thank you. So line virtual terminal 04 and the password to this virtual terminal is password 123. So coming to the interface VLAN 1, which is a shutdown because we did not start up or we did not assign any IP address to it. So coming to the interface gigabit Ethernet 0/0, no shutdown, IP address is assigned to it with the subnet mask. And you can see the other interfaces gigabit Ethernet 0/1, which is in shutdown because we did not assign any IP address to it. So this is the start and end of the script. So if you have to select the second selection of the interface here. So this is how the basic management setup of the router or the basic configuration of router is clearly explained, and also about assigning the interface to the management network, and also in future if you want to assign the other interfaces also which are connected to different networks also can be done in the same way.